Okay, now I've got my still set on straight stitch, my sewing machine set on a straight stitch at approximately average about 2.5, between 2 and 3 on the stitch length. And I'm getting ready to do my second corner for the top of my sewing machine cover. I'm pushing in my reverse. That's how you lock our stitches in. Then go forward. And if you just go straight across and reverse. Okay. Normally I would hold my stuff, but I can't hold the hand wheel and guide fabric and hold the camera too. So anyway, now we have sewn our second corner. To go ahead and finish, turn the hand wheel to how you take up lever at the top, then you raise your presser foot in the back, and you should be able to pull your project away very easily and snip your threads. Now there is a thread cutter on the back of the shank of the presser foot. It's not terribly sharp, I don't think, or at least I prefer to use snips or scissors for mine. Okay, I have trimmed my seam to 1/4 of an inch approximately at both of those top corners. So they're trimmed off. Here's the corners as they were before, before I trimmed them off. Let's see. So you trim those off. And now I'm going to zigzag the edges so that it doesn't fray, because this is a woven canvas type linen fabric, and it will fray really badly if you don't finish your edges. So I'm going to go ahead and zigzag those now. Reverse to make sure you lock your stitches, and reverse again, and raise your take up lever to the top to complete your stitch, raise your presser foot, and release your project. Okay, now that I have trimmed off my corners and I've zigzagged my edges on both ends so that it will not fray, and then I can turn my project right side out, turn the light off on the sewing machines right back there, the little twisty knob, and there is our perfect little box end on our sewing machine cover. And let's see if I can put it on one-handed. I'm not real great at this one-handed stuff. I should have made it a little looser, I guess, because I forgot it's got the big fat motor base, but actually I don't have to use it on this particular one. But anyway, that was the, once it's turned correctly right side out, that's your little sewing machine cover is done. And actually I'll fit one of the skinny ones.